Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. First, thank you to all of my new subscribers. We are almost to my modest goal of 100 subs by the end of the year. Today I'm going to start something a little different here called DAISO Finds. For all of you that don't know, DAISO is a Japanese 99-cent store that sells a lot of random things for cheap. For those that don't have a 99-cent store in their region, it's basically a store that sells anything and everything for less than $1. They don't include the tax, of course, so it always comes out to about $1.25 or so. Anyway, my girlfriend found this for me at Daiso, and I decided to go ahead and try it out. It is labeled as a USB blower, presumably used to blow dust or dirt out of your keyboard or desk and not have to use a can of air. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we have the product itself, and it is shaped like a leaf blower. We do need to add the tube to the leaf blower, so you just need to follow the notch here and turn like so. Now let's go ahead and get this plugged in so we can see how this thing blows. Now once you plug it in, you just press that little black button right there and you start blowing away. Now I found a bunch of random things laying around the sides of my desk. I don't know where that fabric softener paper came from, but that was near me. One thing to note, however, is that since the USB cable comes installed directly to the product, it does have a high chance to break in the future if the cable were to ever get pulled, or if you put it away incorrectly, the cables inside do have a chance to break as well. I do have to say though that Daiso products, although not super lacking in quality, it's good enough to get you through a couple months prior to them usually failing. Like all 99-cent stores, quality is usually skipped on to be able to sell the product for cheap. So I would say Daiso is like an upper class 99-cent store if you can get the analogy. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. Hope you liked this brief video on my DAISO finds. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, or subscribe for more tech content, and I'll see you all in the next one.